Good morning, dear students. I am Tarkeshwar Pandey. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to know the concept of area and the process of finding area. So let's start. First of all, know the meaning of area. Area is a Latin word which meaning is a vacant piece of level ground. Area is a Latin word which meaning is a vacant piece of level ground. Another meaning of area is a particular amount of space contained within a set of boundaries. Another meaning of area is a particular amount of space contained within a set of boundaries. Okay. Now know what is area. In simple language, we can say that the measurement of the space inside a shape is called area. We can also say that the space occupied by a flat shape or the surface of an object is called area. In other way, the number of unit squares that cover the surface of a closed figure is called area. So you can easily say that area of a figure is the number of unit squares that cover the surface of a closed figure. Now we are going to know what is the unit of area. As you know that the unit of perimeter is the same unit of the sides of a given figure. In the same way, area is measured in square units. It means the unit of area is square units, such as square centimeters, square meter, square kilometer, square feet, square inch, etc. Now one thing is also important. Why do we find area? We find area to put a particular thing at a place. We find the area of the room floor to determine the size of the carpet to be bought. We find the area of the floor for covering the floor with tiles. We find the area of wall for covering the wall with paint. We find the area of wall for making wallpaper. We find the area of ground for making pool or pond. We find the area of field for plowing, gardening, irrigating or cultivating. We find the area of an equipment for making cover cloth and so on. There are many examples for finding area in our daily life. Now know how can we count the area of a figure by using graph paper or square grid or square blocks. For finding area of a regular figure, put the shape on the graph paper in such a way that it touches the line on the grid. Now draw the boundary of the shape. You can color the shape for your convenience. Now count the number of squares on the graph paper. The counted number of squares will be the area of the required shape. Now you can say area in square units. For example, if your counting is 10 squares, then you can say the area is 10 square units. Now find the area of this postal stamp. Count the number of squares under this stamp. This will be area of this stamp. I think you will have counted 12 squares. Very good. Now the area of this postal stamp will be 12 square units. Again, find the area of this stump. I think your counting will be 18 squares. Very good. So, the area of this postal stamp will be 18 square units. Now we are going to know the area of an irregular figure. It means the figure which is not in the shape of square or rectangle. For finding area of an irregular figure with the help of graph paper, there is the same method like a regular figure. First of all, put the irregular figure on graph paper and draw its boundary. At the time of counting square, assume that more than half of a square will be counted as 1 square and less than half of a square will be counted as 0 square. Once again, I want to repeat this golden rule. So remember this rule for your future. At the time of counting square, assume that more than half of a square will be counted as 1 square and less than half of a square will be counted as 0 square. Okay? So, for finding the area of an irregular shape, first of all count the number of fully covered squares. Then count the partially more than half covered squares. At the last, count partially less than half covered squares. Then find the sum of all squares. This will be the area of the figure. Now find the area of this shape. First of all, count the full squares. I think the number of full squares is 6. Now count the number of more than half squares. I think they are 9. Now count the number of less than half squares. I think they are 6. So the area of this figure will be 6 into 1 plus 9 into 1 plus 6 into 0. It means 6 1 ja 6, 9 1 ja 9 and 6 0 ja 0. After adding 6 and 9, we will get 15 square units. Because full square will be counted as 1, more than half will be counted as 1, but less than half will be counted as 0. I think you will have understood the concept of area, the meaning of area, finding area with the help of graph paper or square grid or square blocks. You have also known about the area of regular figure and the area of irregular figure both. Now solve these questions with the help of given figure. We will meet shortly in the next video. So for the time, I want to wish you all have a nice day. Goodbye. If you are first time viewer of this channel, then subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more updates about this channel.